I'll go first. I'll go first. Okay. So right now we're unboxing Crazy Cat Nighty. Wow! Let's take it out of the mold. Yay! Wait, not now. Wow! Oh my gosh! Our slimes come with a fun charm, and the charm can go on your Crocs. It's a Croc charm. Awesome! This is so cool. ASMR. Wow! Okay, Patricia, your turn. Your turn. This one sees shell crunch.
Amazing!
This is so cool. Hello. Mine has 0. Mine doesn't have God. This is in the yummy slime kit. Can I see it? So dirty. This is in the mermaid slime kit. Okay, next one. This is in the mermaid slime kit. Next slime. Patricia, your turn. This is mango sorbet. Okay, this is Kitty Crispy. This one is ice cream homemade. Okay, this next one is love potion. Okay, next slime. This one is going up. This is in the yummy slime kit. Okay, this next one is cola slush. Ready? Okay, next slime. This one is meowchical. Whoosh. This one comes with a palm tree crack jar. So, this is so good. Okay, guys, this last one is our cream slime. It's our cloud slime. It's the color green. My favorite color is pink out of this one. But right now we're gonna do green. Okay, ready? We're gonna do it together. Okay, ready? Okay, this one looks like this one. No.